Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've already got the clamshell open on my Can-Am Ryker 900. I'm going to be taking you through in bits and pieces the process of me removing my rollers from my primary pulley. There is one broken roller.
Do you see what?
Can you check the other one?
Any broken roller, Dada?
That one's alright, but it's got scarring on it. Undo this bolt here and take this whole pulley off, because I need to take this off anyway. The belt tool to open this, to take the belt off first and then remove the pulley. I've got, when I take these bolts out, I believe these need changing, so I've got to take these bolts out to split this, to get to the rollers. So I need new ones of these bolts. I need a new one of this bolt. My biggest issue is I'm trying to turn this and this is just spinning on there. So you see the writing, it's just spinning on that metal plate there. So I'm trying to hold the sheath and undo it at the same time, and I'm just not getting enough leverage. It's tough. Just here you can see me using an induction heater, which I'm using to heat up the bolts to free up the Loctite to enable me to get them undone. Just more heat, just put more heat on it, Jim. You can also see that I'm using clamps to hold the sheath, stop it from spinning while it's on the spring compressor tool. I just put more heat. I've managed to loosen the other three. This is the last one. It's a real bitch. I am one step closer. Oh yeah. Oh, that was, oh, cut my hand. The hardest thing I've probably ever had to undo, to be fair. This bolt here, you're meant to do that up to 22 Newton meters. That's what holds a roller in. But the roller was binding and it spins now. Both of them do. But the first one I put Loctite in, and it wouldn't spin. I was literally forcing it with my thumb and finger to turn, it wouldn't turn. So I took it out, cleaned it up, got it in, and then, yeah, I just struggled getting them to spin freely, but they spin freely now. And I've just tightened them up as tight as I can, and then turn them another quarter turn, and then get the split pins in, whatever they're called, spring pins. So the spring pins are back in. So the spring pins hold them in. I can't, yeah, I don't know how you get the bolt through and in there without getting, these are made of a different material than these ones. So I'm guessing the Loctite wouldn't contaminate this like it will these ones. So yeah, I just need to get this back together now, and get the new bolts put in here. Obviously these will be Loctited, and they're up to 18 foot-pound, I think. But I need to make sure I get it back on square. And then when I've done that and the pulley's back together, I then need to put the pulley on the bike, and I need to get the bolt done up, and the lock, it will hold on the lock to get it done up. So I'm kind of fingers crossed that will be the case. But yeah, I'm almost there.